In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom buttons and links in Salesforce. This is a handy way to tailor your Salesforce interface to better fit your needs and workflows. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to access the Salesforce setup page. Typically, this can be done by clicking the gear icon in the upper right corner of your screen and selecting Advanced Setup. This will take you to a plethora of options and settings where you can customize your Salesforce environment. Once you are in the setup menu, you'll want to navigate over to the Object Manager. It's convenient to use the quick find bar for this. Just type in Object Manager and select it from the drop down list. Now you'll see a display of the different objects available for you to customize, such as account or opportunity. Choose the object you wish to apply your custom button or link to. Inside the selected object, you'll see several options to modify its settings. Look for the section titled Buttons, Links and Actions and click on it. This area is where you will create your new button or link, so go ahead and click New Button or Link to get started. Next, you'll be prompted to fill in details about your button or link. Begin by giving it a name. It's important to choose something descriptive so that you can easily identify its purpose in the future. Then enter the label information. This is the text that users will actually see displayed on the button itself. The following step is to determine the display type for your button or link. You have a few options here. A detail page button will appear on the detail page of a specific record, a detail page link shows as a link on the detail page, and a list button is viewable in the list view of the object. Choose the option that best fits your needs. If your button or link is intended to navigate to a different URL, there's a designated field for this purpose. Simply paste the desired URL into the URL field to ensure it directs users to the right web page or resource. With all the essential details filled in, you're ready to create the button or link by clicking Save. Your custom button and link are now created but not quite visible yet. You need to add them to a specific layout where they will be utilized. Head over to Page Layouts and pick the layout you want to customize. Here you'll look for the Buttons or Custom Links section. You'll see your newly created button or link there. Simply click and drag it onto the layout in the desired spot. Finally, be sure to hit Save to cement these changes to your layout. And there you have it, a new custom button or link that enhances the functionality of your Salesforce environment. Hopefully this tutorial was helpful, and as always, happy customizing.